3710 HBFB, a spacious, family-friendly fifth wheel that turns any campsite into home base. In the kitchen, generous solid surface counters, a deep stainless sink, and plenty of cabinets make meal prep effortless and fun. Quick breakfasts or full family dinners, stay easy with everything right at your fingertips. Across sits the living area, perfect for unwinding with a plush sofa ideal for movie nights. It faces an entertainment wall with a big TV and built-in fireplace. Beside it, the freestanding dinette offers residential-style seating for meals, games, or work. Back in the kitchen heart, the oversized 12-volt fridge and deep pull-out pantry deliver serious storage for week-long adventures. The private rear bedroom serves as your peaceful retreat with a nice, comfy bed and ample walking room to settle in. Opposite, the dresser, wardrobe, and cabinets provide residential-level storage, drawers for folds, hanging space, and more to stay sorted. The main rear bathroom keeps things clean, open, and practical, with a spacious shower, functional sink with storage below, and linen areas nearby. Towels and toiletries stay handy for simple, comfortable daily routines. Up front, the bunkhouse welcomes kids or guests with multiple bunks plus lounge-style sleeping that maximizes space efficiently. Everyone claims their cozy spot without floor clutter. Its attached private restroom with toilet, sink, and toiletry storage cuts main bath traffic and smooths mornings for bigger groups. This Sierra blends luxury, versatility, and family space perfectly.